In this video, we're going to talk about the box method, which is a strategy for multiplication. So we're going to do a problem, and as we do the problem, I'm going to talk you through step by step. So our problem is 37 times 64. So the first thing that we will do to solve this problem is to decompose our numbers, meaning that we'll break them down by place value. So for 37, we have 30 plus 7. And for 64, we have 60 plus 4. We will draw a box to house our factors. So we will have 30 and 7. And then we will have 60 and 40. So now we want to multiply these factors and write our answers in each box. So 6 times 3 is 18. And then we add our 2 zeros. 30 times 4 is 120, because 4 times 3 is 12. And then we add our 1 zero. Okay. We go to 60 times 7, or 6 times 7, which is 42. And then we add our 0. And then 7 times 4, which is 28. We take all of these partial products and add them together. So 1800, 420, 120, and 28. We'll add them all up. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 8 plus 4 is 12. Plus 1 more is 13. So we'll write down our 3. Write down our 3, and carry our 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 2,368. Let's try another one. Let's do 346 times 16. So the first thing that I'm going to do is decompose my number. So 300 plus 40 plus 6 and 10 plus 6. Then I'm going to draw my box. Where I will put 300, 40, and 6. And then I will have my 10 and 6. So now we're going to multiply each factor. So we have 300 times 10, or 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 3 zeros. We have 40 times 10, or 4 times 1, and then add those 2 zeros. And then we have 60 times 10, which we should know is, 6 times 10, which we should know is 60. And then from there, we'll start over with our bottom number. So 300 times 6, or 3 times 6, which is 18. And add those two zeros. Okay. 40 times 6, or 4 times 6, which is 24. And add our 0. And then 6 times 6, which is 36. So now we'll take all of our partial products and add them together. So we got 3,000, 1,800, 400, 240, 60, and 36. We're going to add all of these together. So our first column to the right is zeros plus 6, which is 6. Then we have 0, 0, 0, 4, 6, and 3. We know that 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13, so 3, carry out 1. We know that 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So 5, carry a 1. And we have 3 plus 1, which is 4, plus 1 more, which is 5. Our answer is 5,536.